Hey, what is up, guys? John from Magic Tech Review, and in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to get rid of a black screen on an iPhone, how to stop it from talking back, how to master reset an iPhone, all the things that you need right here in this video. Check me out. Alrighty, guys. So let me just go ahead and go into my settings real quick, just to make sure everything is correct and working. But yeah, guys, today's video is going to be all about an iPhone and how to get rid of a black screen if you have a black screen that you can't get rid of. Having a mute autistic son or nonverbal son that does not speak, and all he likes to do is mess with iPhones, or not iPhones, but mess with phones in general and put them. He can master reset or factory reset a phone within, I don't even know, 30 seconds, 20 seconds of you giving it to him. So yeah, and also a bonus is going to be how to actually get it from another language, because that's a real problem with the iPhone. I don't know if you guys have ever had that situation happen, but we're going to go ahead and just go over all that stuff that I know, that I've learned over the years dealing with Little John. So yeah, so basically, um, and he can't put a password. He can't put a password on here as well. So here's the iPhone. I'm just using the iPhone SE as an example. iPhone SE 2020, but you can do this on any phone. He's talking here. LOL. What's going on? What's going on, Sean White? What's going on? Okay. So basically, what happens, right? What happens is your phone can go into. I'm gonna go into the setting here, and I'm gonna go into accessibility mode, and I'm gonna turn voiceover on. Okay, so
440 accessibility.
so once you got voiceover on,
4:46 p.m.
it's really hard.
Weather.
It's really hard to do anything on your phone, because anything you press,
Translate. Maps.
you're gonna have to double tap, and you're not gonna even be able to go into different screens. You're gonna get frustrated. Okay, so if this is you right now, don't worry. Several different methods you can use. All right, you can use Siri. So hopefully you set up Siri. That'd be the easiest. You just turn off voiceover.
Okay, I turned voiceover off.
Okay, easy, right? Easy peasy. I'm just showing you guys easy things to get. I meant he's not here. Yeah, he's asleep right now. He's asleep. That's why I'm doing this video, because if I had the iPhone, he'd be trying to take it from me. But okay, so that's the simplest one. All right, you just take voiceover off. Now, what if you go voiceover? So we got voiceover on, right?
Accessibility. Speech off.
And then we do this, right? So now look at this. No matter what you do, your phone is locked. Doesn't matter what I do to this phone. I can go into anything, and it won't do shit.
Speech on.
Look, I can even
47 p.m.
look. I can even do a screenshot. Or how do you do speech? Look at this. Nothing, right? So this is called black screen mode or curtain mode. So what curtain mode is if a person that can't see, right, or is visually impaired, but they use their phone for, they use their phone by tapping the phone and listening to what it says, right? It's to give them privacy. So, if a blind person can't see this phone in the first place, why do they want somebody else to be able to see their screen? So this is basically so for people that are visually impaired, whatever. So that's the brief explanation I have at the moment. But that's called screen mode. That's called screen curtain. Really, really annoying. To get rid of it, though, you literally just tap it 3 times. 1, 2, 3.
Widget. Screen curtain.
There you go. So 3 times with 3 fingers. That's how you get off the screen curtain mode. Okay, guys? So I know that's a big thing. I've seen that in the settings, and I've seen that in a lot of different things. So there you go. So screen curtain mode, voiceover mode. Now, while you're in voiceover mode, if you want to move around, you have to actually use 3 fingers to move around, to slide things around. Then get to settings. Okay, you get the settings right there.
Allow weather to use your location. Places visible. 0. Allow weather to use your location.
Okay.
Don't allow. Button.
So if you want to be able to
weather. Continue. Button.
All right.
Weather. Settings.
So what you have to do
is voiceover. Back button.
Triple tap.
Voiceover. Voiceover.
There you go.
Off.
Whew. Tell you, man, this stuff. If a kid gets a hold of your phone and does this stuff to your phone, man, it's the worst, bro. It's the worst. Anyways, I'm just gonna make this video short. This is literally just to show you guys how to get in and out of these situations. Now, if you just need to reset your phone, my phone is like super bright right now. Maybe brightness a little bit down. There you go. Okay, so now to get rid of or to reset your phone, you're gonna do volume up, volume down, and then power, and then hold it. And that's how you actually reset phones. And then you're just gonna hold it until the Apple logo comes on, and that's it. That's how you restart your phone if your phone is misbehaving. Okay. Now, if you want to go into DFU mode, and if you actually want to go to iTunes, then it's easy as well. You're just gonna keep on holding the power button, and then let go when the Apple logo comes up, and then you'll be able to connect to iTunes to reset your phone. So, let's see here. What other things can I show you really quick? Oh, if you go into accessibility, and you know that your kid might do accessibility mode a lot, or they like to do it, and you find that they like to do it a lot, you want to go into, you can go into accessibility shortcut right here, and you can turn on these modes right here, so you can quickly turn it on and off if you notice that your kid, or whoever's using the phone, if they like to go into these different things. So let's say they like to do color filter, basic in their and if you want to be able to turn off voiceover, zoom, voice control, right? So you can triple tap. Now you can triple tap the home button, and you can literally turn this voiceover on or off.
Voiceover alert.
Boom.
Accessibility shortcut selected.
So
voiceover off.
Sometimes dealing with difficult children, little kids that like to just mess up your whole phone or whatever, you gotta be ingenuitive. You gotta think outside the box, basically. Also, let's see, another thing is that if they put a password on the phone, don't freak out, because if it's a little kid, they probably press the same button, the same button, like they pressed 11111, and then when they asked to do a second password, they did 11111. So if the phone didn't have a password and then all of a sudden has a password on it and you can't figure it out, and your kid just put a password on your phone and you're just freaking out, just try 11111. Then if that doesn't work, 22222, and go all the way down to 9 or 0, and then that should be your password. Because just think of it, they have to do it twice. So if it's a little kid, they're not going to do like 1 2 3 4 and then 1 2 3 4 again. They're probably going to do the same number over and over. So I remember little John had done that to the phone. He had actually locked it down. I didn't know what the heck was going on, and then I thought about it. I was like, little John doesn't know about having to put a password in or having to make it complex. So it was literally the same password, just the same thing. So 11122223333. So I know this is kind of boring. This is not a video that everybody wants to watch or whatever, but hopefully these tips have helped you. Javon Sims, what's up? Yeah, I know it's not going to be a most popular video or whatever, but my most popular on my channel right now is the same video, how to do this on Android phones. So hopefully people will need to do the same thing on iPhone. All right. So other than that, iPhone SE 2020 is waterproof. Just remember that, guys. So anything above the iPhone SE 2020 is usually waterproof. Don't worry about that. If the if the tip of the phone goes into water, it's going to be shot, because these things. What's going on, Javon Sims? Thank you for watching, man. But yeah, I'm not really worried about the people watching at the moment. I'm more worried about helping people with this tutorial. So hopefully this is going to help. I'm going to go ahead and end the video here. Thank you guys. And if this thing did help you out at all, man, please leave a like on the video. Please subscribe. Please share this to anybody else out there that can, use helpful tips for iPhones, iPads, or iPods. All right. Thank you guys for watching. This has been John from Magic Tech Review. Hopefully this video is going to hit 1 million, just like the last one. You never know. Got to try, right?
It's 2022 and everyone and their mother is dealing with spam calls and spam text messages. So why not get a second phone number you can give out whenever you're signing up for services or paying a bill, so you don't have to deal with spam calls and spam text messages anymore. The solution is called Dingtone. Get a free real phone number that you can give out so you no longer get these spam calls and spam text messages. Download Dingtone for a real free phone number today, available on iOS and Android.